Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. This is going to be pretty quick, but I ran into an issue this weekend and I noticed something that I wanted to share with you. The Doordash offers just seem to dry up. Super busy, getting order right and left, and all of a sudden they stopped. So I have an idea of how to fix it. Anyways, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this. That would be great. Okay, so what happened? Why all of a sudden have the offers dried up? I don't think they have. I think that Doordash just couldn't see me anymore. This happened a couple times this weekend. It seems to happen when I am parked. And also after I have declined a few offers in a short time period. I noticed my dot is gone. So, you know the little blue dot? So when I was looking at my app, my little blue dot was not there. I'm like, oh my God, I don't think Doordash can see me anymore. Which didn't really make any sense, but this little dot on the map shows your location, and if they can't see you, then maybe that's why the dot was gone. I don't know. I never noticed it before. Maybe it's done that all along, but I just noticed it this weekend. Have I lost a connection? I don't know. It seems pretty odd that my connection would have been lost, considering I'm parked in the same exact spot that just brought me tons of offers just minutes ago. I mean, literally, it was just like decline, another one would come, decline, another one would come, and we're just popping up. I don't know. It was really odd. So what I tried, first I tried to restart the app. I'm like, okay, that's weird. Why do I not exist on the map? So I restarted the app. Nothing seemed to change. I was still just like, nothing was there. Turned off the Wi-Fi and then turned it back on. I need to use Wi-Fi because the CarPlay in my car, the Apple CarPlay needs Wi-Fi. So I turned that off, turned it back on. Still nothing. So then I decided to drive across the street. Well, mainly because I didn't actually decide to move. I got an offer from Grubhub across the street. So I drove literally across the street. I mean, I don't know how far that would be. But just by moving that far, and I parked at the restaurant, which was literally across the street. Now my dot was there. I'm like, okay, that's odd. Was it the fact that I moved that brought my dot back? I don't really know. All of a sudden, I start getting slamming with offers again. So it was really interesting. So simply by moving my car and changing my location somehow caused the dot to return. GPS communication with the Doordash system was now restored, if that was even the problem to begin with. Is this a fix? Well, it could be. I only moved across the street, but it was not enough to get my dot back. And once my dot was back, I started getting tons of offers. None of the other things I tried seemed to make a difference. So I'm taking this as a win. This is not a long-term study. This was just over the weekend. It only happened a couple times. The first time I didn't know what the issue was. And I just kind of figured that, okay, fine, I'm not going to get any Doordash offers. I was also doing Uber Eats and Grubhub, and I got a ton of those offers. So I didn't really miss the Doordash. But then I noticed it came back. But I don't know the time period. I wasn't really paying attention. It was a really busy day yesterday. So, I don't know. Anyways. So, it could be a total coincidence, but I'm convinced by moving my car, even only a very short distance, was enough to cause the GPS to reconnect with Doordash. Okay? I'm just saying that. I could be wrong, but it was pretty obvious that without that blue dot, I was not going to get any offers. And once I got the blue dot back, I started getting offers. So that blue dot is key. Why did it disconnect? Well, Maybe I was declining too many offers. I was parked a little too close to Walmart, I think. And I did decline about 5 to 6 offers in rapid succession, you know. I got Walmart after Walmart after Walmart. I'm like, no, 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 no. Maybe it's a punishment of some kind. Maybe like, okay, you declined too many offers in a row. We're going to get rid of your dot. You're not getting any more offers. Is it a timeout of some sort? Is there something built into the app that tells the servers not to send offers to any dasher who has stayed in one spot for too long? Maybe. I don't know. I was really only parked there for maybe 8 to 10 minutes. I don't know. I ran in to go to the restroom, actually. And that's why I parked there. And there's several restaurants right in that one area that I usually get orders from. So I figured, okay, good. I'll just sit here and, after I went to the restroom. But I don't know. Is it a built-in feature that keeps us moving? Maybe they're trying to discourage parking near popular areas and would rather give orders to people who move around. I know I usually get offers for places just as I leave the area. You notice that? You can go to the dead center of a shopping center where there's 10 restaurants all within, a quarter mile. You sit in your car there for a minute, and you'll get nothing. As soon as you get in your car and drive away, just far enough away that you can't easily come back, that's when you get the offer. Where you have to drive all around the block to come back, or, that's when you get them. So, I don't know. It's just, it's crazy. So give it a try. Next time you notice you haven't received any DoorDash offers for a while, look on the map and see if your dot is there. It's the blue dot. It's on. I showed you on that other screen, but it's just a little blue dot, and it basically signifies your location on the map. And if you don't have that dot, I don't think you're going to get any offers. I really, really think that's the key. Look for that blue dot. So anyways, look on the map, see if your dot's still there. If it's not there, just move. You don't have to go far. Like I said, I went just across the street. And I went from getting 0 offers to slammed again. And my dot did come back simply by moving across the street. I don't know. So see if you start getting offers again. I really think you will. Report back and let us know. That's the key. If it works for you, maybe we're on to something. I don't know if this is a new thing. Like I said, I don't know if my dot's ever been missing before because I never really looked for it. I just happened to notice today that it was gone. So I'm not really sure, if a recent update caused this or if it's always been that way. Have any of you noticed your dot missing before? I don't know. Oh, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was interesting. I hope that this all made sense, and I hope that it helps you. Please add comments and questions below, and don't forget to try this fix and come back and keep us posted. I think that's the key. If anyone else has noticed the same issue, if you have a period where you're not getting any offers and you look down and you see your blue dot is gone, try moving, and then maybe you'll get offers. I don't know. I can't wait for this to happen again because I really want to try it. I went out again tonight, but I didn't lose the dot tonight, so I wasn't able to test my fix. But anyways, thank you so much for listening. I hope this was helpful. I hope that this solves the problem for you. Ultimately, that's what I hope. I hope that this has been an issue and you didn't know it was an issue and now you have a solution. That would be awesome. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate it. I hope that you're having a great night, great day, and making lots of money. And I hope that this little fix makes you even more money. Bye-bye.